Всем привет, с вами я, Андрей, и сегодня вы увидите, что можно сделать из моего старого гироскутера. Спасибо, что ты подписался на канал, ведь это лучшая поддержка. Пока-пока!
Man couldn't work on time every day and he crying for the raise. Boss say he got a wife he don't even really like, and a house that's way overpriced, but he still got a wound up tight. Now he started thinking that his life ain't right. He just need a little, cause he on the edge right now, wrong side of the bed right now. Bitch, give me that.
Push, drive, push. You gotta push to stay alive. Push, drive, push. In the game to survive it, someone die.
Hey, yeah, headed home on a train. Man fall asleep, try to ease that pain, cause he tired of the. Has a little dream about a place where he ain't gotta be another rat in a race. A place called Willoughby Lane, where everybody knows his name and he don't have to change. But he never makes it out of his seat. Wakes up before he can even make it to his feet. Back to work, he can't focus. Thinks he'd rather be homeless. Tries to push through the day, but it's hopeless. Wife yells in his face and he don't notice. As soon as he gets to that part of his day, soon as he gets to that seat on the train, close his eyes and everything goes away. Said he's trying to be up at Willoughby Lane.
Push, drive, push. You gotta push to stay alive. Push, drive, push. In the game to survive it, someone die. When you gotta push to stay alive. In the urban jungle, that's the only way you thrive. In the game to survive it, someone die. Push, drive. When you gotta push to stay alive. In the urban jungle, that's the only way you thrive. In the game to survive it, someone die.
By now you probably thinking a man like him don't need another reason. He just need a next time he sees Willoughby Lane, said he's gon' get off that train, even if he got a no more dead-end job, no boss, no wife, no cars, man, no more. Falls asleep when he gets to his seat, sees Willoughby Lane, and then